Hello everyone. Are you tired of being blinded by the bright website backgrounds while browsing at night? And do you worry about the accidentally closing browsing sessions with countless tabs open, or experiencing your computer freezing on you due to too many tabs? Have you ever strained to hear something what's being said in a video only to be end up frustrated? And let's not even get started on YouTube's endless suggested videos. If you answered yes to any of these, then welcome to Bengal Geeks, where we share amazing tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. And today we have got something amazing extension for you, and don't miss out the bonus tip at the end of the video. So let's get started. Do you find it frustrating when websites lack a dark mode? Take for example Scene, which doesn't have a dark mode option. But worry not, we have a solution to that. Let's head to the first extension of the list. First, we need to go to Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store in the search bar, or you can click on the shortcut below. Once there, search for Dark Reader. And click on the first one. And click on the Add to Chrome, and you're all set. And this extension also works seamlessly on different websites that doesn't have a dark mode. Okay, now let's revisit Scene page, and it's now in dark mode. And also you can customize the darkness by your liking by adjusting the settings such as brightness and contrast. For example, and decrease the brightness to -25 and increase the contrast a bit higher, so the site becomes more contrasty on the black side. You can even add specific sites on the list or manually disable the extension if needed. Let's move on to the next one. Well, sometimes it happens to all of us that we are in such hurry that we just close everything open in the browser, or the browser just crashed unexpectedly. So in that case, you can either go through the history or you can use Ctrl-Shift-T combo to get back everything you just closed. However, there is another more accessible and interactive way to do with the Session Buddy. Let's head over to Web Store again and search for Session Buddy. And add this one to our Chrome. And all being said, next time you close the browser unexpectedly or in a hurry, then you just have to click on this extension icon, and you can go to the segments of the browsing sessions and many more. You can click on these segments to go to your previous browsing sessions. And this is how this extension works. Let's move on to the next one. Are you guilty of having 20+ tabs open in your browser, even though you're not actively using them all? Actually, this not only takes up valuable system memory, but also hampers performance. But fear not, we have a solution for you. For that, go on a new tab and search for the Web Store, or click the shortcut below and search for tab Suspender. And add to the Chrome. Okay, it will ask you for permission. Just click next and set the timing to a minimum. And after that, click next, and you can have the final page and click finish, and you're all set. Or if you want to adjust the settings manually, you can go to the extension menu and also tweak the settings for only liking. Whether you are someone who loves having multiple tabs open or just want to optimize your browser performance, this extension will automatically accelerate your browser and free up the memory. So goodbye to sluggishness and hello to efficiency. Let's now talk about another aspect of the internet browsing. It's watching videos. It's particular to YouTube videos and maybe on other sites. It can be quite frustrating when the videos have low volume. even though you just cranked up all the volume to high, but you can still hear nothing. But don't worry, there is a solution to that too. Now let's move on to another tab and search for Chrome Web Store, or you can click the shortcut below. Now search for Sound Booster and click Sound Boosters and Volume Control and add this one to the Chrome. And you're all set. This extension allows you to increase the volume directly within the website. So the next time you're watching videos and need an audio boost, simply click on the volume master icon and increase the volume to your heart desire. Let's move on to the next one. Well, about YouTube, if you're lost watching one after another video from YouTube suggestion, which goes like an infinite loop, you can try this next extension called Unhook. It comes with a lot of options to choose from. Well, for that, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Unhook. And click Add to Chrome. Well, it comes with a lot of options to choose from. For that, you can go on to the extension menu and click the Unhook extension. And now you can change a different bunch of settings. You can strip out YouTube own features like disabling the home feed, even the notifications, even the chats. And you can also disable the comments too. And I think that would be a distraction-free YouTube experience. Well, if you have been watching this video till now, thank you so much, and I have some bonus tips for you too. Okay, tip number 1. Like if you're bored with the default black theme that Chrome ships with, you can use this theme instead. It's called All Black Theme for Chrome. To get that, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for All Black. Scroll down for a little and go to the themes and click Add to Chrome, and you'll install directly. And now you'll have a gorgeous and minimalist black theme all over the Chrome. Now let's move on to the next tip. Tip number 2. If you download large file over the internet on browser like I'm doing right here without using any external application, well, there is another way you can do speed up the download speed. Okay, for that we're going to open another tab and search for Chrome flags. Type as I'm doing and go to the search box and search for parallel. It should be parallel downloading. Click enable and relaunch and do the same download thing again. And now you can see a significant speed boost on downloading stuff. I truly hope you find this video informative and helpful. If you did, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel so you never miss out on future contents. And don't forget to share this video with your loved ones as they might find it helpful too. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay awesome and take care.